Hello guys, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is an unboxing video, as you must have seen from the title and also from what I have in front of me. Okay, so today I'm going to unbox my ring light, as YouTubers popularly call it. Okay, so that's what we're about to do. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video so we can see the details of what I have in this box. The box came in an Amazon box, which I just removed. And this is the actual box. Okay, so here I have an adjustable tripod stand. Okay, let's have a quick peek to see what we have in this little box here. Let's see how the tripod stand looks. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's black in color. And I'm still going to do like the full assembly, and then I'll show you how it looks, okay? When everything is fully assembled. I also have a manual here, the manual for the ring light. Okay, so let's see what we have in the box. Okay, there's a page here that details everything that we are supposed to see in the box. Yeah, so we have the adjustable tripod stand, which I just showed you. We also have the LED ring light with USB power supply. Okay. Yeah, so this is the actual ring light, okay? Because it's a very delicate thing, I'll handle it carefully. Okay, so this is the ring light. I'm going to take it out of the packaging so you can see more closely. Okay, so this is it, and that's the power supply cable. Okay, so let's see what else we have in there. Okay, so we've seen the first two items. We also have the tripod mount phone holder and the flexible phone holder. So there are actually two different types of phone holders in the box. Okay, yeah, so this one right here is the tripod mount phone holder. Okay, so this is it for holding phones, yeah, which is very handy. Okay, the tripod mount phone holder. And then this is the other type of phone holder. As you can see, it's adjustable. The height is adjustable depending on the height of the phone, and it has good grip as well. Okay. And then we also have a thank you card. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is a gift card from Amazon, a $30 gift card. Whoa, that's great. You have won a free gift card for your Amazon order. Wow, that's amazing. I have a $30 gift card in the package, so I can use it to get something on Amazon. That's great. And we also have the user guide, which I'm reading right now, and a Bluetooth remote shutter. Okay, so I'm going to look around for that. Like a Bluetooth remote shutter. Okay, I guess that's what I have with yeah, so it's attached to the phone mount. Okay, the tripod phone mount. Okay, so that is it. It's called the Bluetooth remote shutter. Okay, like a remote control. So I'm going to get familiar with all of this and see how they work. One of the very important things that content creators should have is good lighting. So at this point in time in my YouTube journey, this is exactly what I need. I need better lighting for my videos, and I happen to get this as a gift from my husband, which I'm very, very thankful for. Okay, so thank you so much guys for unboxing with me, and I'm going to assemble everything right now, and you will see how it looks, exactly how it looks when it is fully assembled. Okay. So guys, it is the Tautronics LED stand light, and it is model number TTCL026. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm done assembling the ring light. As you can see, most of the parts are very flexible. Okay, this can be rotated easily, and the light is very solid. Okay, and also this is also adjustable. Okay, the phone stand is adjustable. I mean, in terms of the pole, very flexible, and also this is also very adjustable depending on the height of the phone or the width of the phone. I can either use this or this depending on the device I'm using or the position I want my phone to be. Okay, so I've also added this. So this is the other type of phone holder, and this is the other type as well. So there are two different types of phone holders basically, and you can use it based on what you want to do, the angle and everything, you know, that you want to achieve. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's fully assembled and ready for use. Thank you for unboxing with me guys. I had fun unboxing this. Okay, and there's one more thing I'm going to show you. Okay, it has this control which you can use to increase the brightness of the light or to reduce the brightness of the light, or also to change the type of light you have. You know, as you can see, it's changing. Okay, and it also has the on and off button which you can use to turn it off and on. Okay, so thank you guys for unboxing with me today. I had a lot of fun unboxing this ring light with you guys, and I'm looking forward to the next video. Okay, thank you so much. Compliments of the season, and have a great day. Love you all. Bye.